Imagine ordering an Uber. You see the car approaching, but then it drives right past you. Why? Because you have a service dog, or because you use a wheelchair. For years, passengers with disabilities have reported this exact nightmare scenario. And now, the U.S. government is stepping in with a hammer. Uber is facing a landmark lawsuit that could cost them $125 million. This isn't just a fine. It's an accusation of systemic failure. Let's break down what's happening. According to a bombshell lawsuit filed by the U.S. Department of Justice in a federal court in Northern California, Uber and its drivers have repeatedly and systematically violated the Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA. The claims are shocking. First, refusing rides. Drivers have consistently refused service to passengers with service animals, like guide dogs or those with foldable wheelchairs. The DOJ cites instances where drivers saw the dog and just drove off. Second, illegal fees. Uber's policy charges passengers extra if the driver has to wait more than 2 minutes. But the lawsuit argues this punishes people with disabilities who simply need a reasonable amount of extra time to get situated. They're being financially penalized for their disability. Third, humiliating treatment. Beyond refusals, passengers have endured offensive comments, intrusive questions, and outright hostility from drivers. But let's be clear. This isn't just about broken rules. It's about broken trust and real human consequences. A refused ride isn't just an inconvenience. It could mean missing a critical medical appointment, being late for work, or being stranded in an unsafe location. The DOJ emphasizes that this discrimination causes dignitary harm, the feeling of being treated as a second-class citizen. For a company built on the promise of reliable transportation for all, these allegations strike at the very core of its mission.